Welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are going to be dealing with addition and subtraction of a matrix. So if you're given a matrix, as you can see in our last video, we talked about how to identify the column and the rows of a matrix, but today we are going to be talking about the addition and subtraction of a matrix. And if you don't understand identifying the column and row of a matrix, then I suggest that you should go to the other video, and the link for the video is provided under this video. Just check below, you see the link. So today we are going to be talking about addition and subtraction of a matrix. So now, if you have a matrix of A, which is 2 4 1 1, and matrix of B, which is 4 2 minus 1 2, and matrix of C, which is 1 2 3 4 6 minus 2, and matrix of D, 8 2 6 9 10 minus 1, and matrix of E, 11 12 13 2 6 minus 4 8 minus 6 4, and matrix of F, 4 9 6 2 minus 1 7 minus 1 0 and minus 1. And you have to find 1 A plus B, 2 B minus A, 3 D minus C, 4 F minus E. So how do you go F plus E, rather, how do you go about it? So let's start. We are starting with number 1, which is A plus B. Now don't forget that A plus B. Now the matrix of A is 2 4 1 1, and plus the matrix of B, which is 4 2 minus 1 and 2. So in adding these two matrices together, you are going to add them according to their row and column. That is, you had this element 2 now is in the first row, first column. Now you are going to add it to the other element in the first row, first column. The same thing applicable to this 4. This 4 is in the first row, second column. You add it to this 2, which is in the what? Is also in the first row, second column. And likewise the same thing, this one with this one, this one with this one. So that is how you add it. So don't forget that you are using your addition sign. So this is where you have 2, then plus, it is going to be 2 plus, you have 4. Don't forget you're adding, then 4, also then plus these 2, then you have 1, then there's a plus sign here, then into this we have minus 1 here, don't forget the minus sign, okay, then you have 1, then plus 2, so which is equal to, this will give you 6, this will give you 6, this will be 1 plus minus 1, which is equal to 0, and 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So that is for the first example. Alright guys, so in the second example we have B minus A. So now what is B? This is the matrix of B. The matrix of B is 4 2 minus 1 2, and you put this negative sign, then you put it in the middle, then you write the matrix of A, which is 2 4 1 1, then you are going to subtract, so which is going to give you 4 minus this 2, then 2 minus this 4, then you have minus 1, then minus this 1, then you have 2, then minus this 1, so which is equal to 2 minus 4, which is going to be 2, then 2 minus 4, which is going to be minus 2, and minus 1 is going to give you minus 2, then 2 minus 1, which is going to give you 1. Okay guys, the third example, which is D minus C. So how do we do it? D minus C. So first of all, you write the matrix of D. The matrix of D is, as you can see, we have 8 2 6 9 10 minus 1, and C, you put the minus sign, the negative sign, you put it. Then for C we have 1 2 3 4 6 and minus 2. So now let's subtract 2. It's going to be what? It's going to be 8 minus 1. And this very 2 minus this very 2, and 6 minus 3. Okay, then for the next one, for the next row, you're going to have 9 minus 4, 10 minus 6, and negative 1 minus negative 2. Okay, so which will give us 8 minus 1 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, then 6 minus 3, that is also 3, then 9 minus 4, that's 5, then 10 minus 6, that is 4, and negative 1 minus 2 minus 2, that will give you minus 1 plus 2, which will give you 1. So that is for that. And for the last example, which is the example 4, that is matrix of F plus matrix of E. So how do we do it? As usual, you write your matrix. What is the matrix of F? Matrix of F is 4, 9, 6, and 2, negative 1, 7, then minus 1, 0, minus 1, then plus the matrix of E. Matrix of E is 11, 12, then 13, 2, 6, minus 4, then 8, minus 6, 4. Then you close it. Then how do we do again? We add. So the first row, this is the element on the first row and the first column. So we have 4, you add it to 11. You see, then you have your 9, you add it to 12. Then you have your 6, you add it to 13. Then close it. Then you have your 2, you add it to 2. Then you have your minus 1, you add it to 6. Then you have your minus 4, you have your 7, positive 7. Then you add it to, that's minus 4. Then you have your negative 1 added to 8. Then you have your 0 added to minus 6. Then you have your minus 1 added to 4. So which is equal to, as you can see, which is equal to 4 plus 11, that is 15. Then 9 plus 12, that is 21. Then 6 plus 13, that is 19. You can see. Then you have 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. And 7 plus minus 4, that is 7 minus 4, which should give you 3. So it's going to be 3. Then minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8 is 7. Then 0 plus minus 6. 0 plus minus 6 is minus 6. And minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3. So that is that for today's video. So we've actually talked about the addition and the subtraction of a matrix. And I want you to comment down below the video. You comment, you can do well to share the video also, to also like. And in case you have any challenge, maybe you have a question, there is a link, there's a Telegram link down below the video. Just click on the Telegram link and you can chat me up. And I'll also drop my WhatsApp number. You can also chat me up for any academic challenge you are facing, and I'll be ready, and I'll be willing and ready to help you. Thank you guys.